and welcome class to our first week. Just getting into the swing of things and trying to get us on track to learn more about how it is effective to teach special needs adults. And the PowerPoint is going to be focusing on how can a teacher discover a student's strength and weaknesses. This is the key essential right here. This is the foundation of how you are going to start implementing learning objectives, because you have to know what's going on. You have to be able to identify the strengths and the weaknesses of the student for them to be able to grow academically. Educators use a variety of assessment methods to determine a student's talent, academic challenges, and learning disabilities. You want to provide a meaningful learning experience. Observations. Teachers have to conduct observations to see what students can do academically. When observations are complete, you can address the needs of the students by providing what learning objectives you can implement that will help them. Assessments. Classroom assessments do more than just measure learning. It serves as a strategy to help students reach their learning goals. Classroom assessments are the essential educational tool and provide students to better understand learning. And it's also the key foundation of how you can figure out a student's weaknesses and strengths. The goal for any teacher is to address the levels and develop a plan to help the students. You have to observe and conduct assessments. And remember, you have to develop a learning strategy that you are going to implement in the classroom, and it is going to be followed. This is going to be followed all year long or until students meet the goals that you have assigned for them. This would be what areas of improvement that the teacher needs to focus on with the students, what strengths are identified that you can still work on with the students to master and further their learning experience. By embracing a more positive perspective, any different strategy can build on students' strengths. Discovering the strengths and weaknesses are the ongoing process to help students. You have to conduct assessments all school year because it will help you to see results from the students, to see how they are growing academically. Teachers must strategize and ensure that students are moving in the right direction. That is the foundation is that you have to observe, you have to conduct your assessments, you have to figure out what the student's strengths and weaknesses in for you to be able to go and build the learning objectives that they're going to be working on for the whole entire school year. Well, hope you liked the first PowerPoint of week 1. We have many weeks to come and also some references that you guys can go back and read upon. And I will see you in the forums.